horrifying scene at a construction site today. Police say without any warning, any provocation, a man killed another worker there. So the question remains, why? CBS 4's Hank Tester reports.
No, we don't know anything.
Not wanting to talk, and you can't blame him, the relative Arsenio Alvarez, age 32, father of the 3-year-old, dead.
It was 2 with the crowbar and 1 with the axe, and they were chasing someone.
That someone was this man, Jonathan Schuler, who police say took a crowbar to the head of Arsenio Alvarez while both were working on a renovation job in Deerfield Beach. Co-workers took Schuler down after the attack.
It is unclear right now what prompted the attack from a co-worker. It's also unclear as to whether or not these 2 men even really knew each other.
The 2 men were working for different companies, demolishing the interior of this office building when the confrontation went down. Worker John Flores tells us it was very bloody when Schuler hit Alvarez in the back of the head with a crowbar. Schuler, as evidenced by this old mugshot, has had drug issues in the past and a police record for narcotics violations. After the attack, those 3 construction workers collared Schuler. Cops were called, and Schuler, the suspect,
was having an elevated blood pressure, and for that reason, that's one of the reasons that he was actually transported to the hospital.
Well, Schuler released from the hospital tonight. He's in the Broward County Jail. He's charged with premeditated murder and no bond. I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4 News Tonight.